Sketchfab is a very easy-to-use web service to publish, share and embed interactive 3D models. So you can think of it as a YouTube but for 3D files. Even if it's not the best analogy, we take 27 native 3D formats. You can upload any of those formats in just 2 clicks on sketchfab.com, and we display them pretty well and pretty fast on any web page, and then you can embed our viewer on any web page as well, so that anyone can access those files in 3D online. We don't target any specific vertical. Our initial power users were mainly 3D artists, guys working for the video game companies or animation studios, but we quickly got adopted by other people like architects, product designers, engineers, manufacturers, hobbyists using 3D scanning devices, and makers as well. Even if we don't necessarily answer all the needs of like manufacturing, typically like measurements or volume or stuff like that, we're so easy to use that it's still a good option, like if you just want to upload and share a file and you're done. GrabCAD did a great job at letting designers work like collaboratively around 3D models. We just focus on displaying them very well and very fast, and we just have a basic model viewer. We don't add anything on top of that. I would say Sunglass is closer to guys like GrabCAD or Team Platform. They work on tools to make the work of designers easier and let them work collaboratively. We don't do that, we just focus on the publishing, the output. So our job is to put the 3D content out on the web so that anyone can look at it. We don't plan on adding a lot of collaboration features. We just want to do this very simple thing of publishing 3D files, but do it very well, and partner with other web publishing platforms so that we become like the standard way to publish 3D files on a web page. People have been trying to show and share 3D files online for the past 30 years. And all the big companies have tried to do like web-based viewers, but WebGL is the first real option for like a standard and web-based way to display 3D graphics in a browser. So that's why, well, everybody is moving this way. Microsoft just announced IE 11 is going to support WebGL, and clearly becoming the standard way to display 3D graphics, and that's why bigger companies need to keep up this pace too. I know, I'm from France, from Paris. I just moved to New York 4 months ago. We wanted to be in the US because most of our market is there, and if we want to achieve our vision, it's better to be in the US. And we applied to Techstars, which is one of the best American accelerators. We really wanted to be in New York because that's where the creatives are and the 3D printing companies are. And we got accepted into Techstars here in New York. So that was 4 months ago. And it allowed us to move our headquarters here in New York. We still have an office in Paris.